don't just write it and then get up and read it. Really think about, how can I do this so everybody listens and wants to hear what I say next? Because to me, that's what makes a great clergy, somebody in clergy who gets up there, be it a priest, a minister, a rabbi, whatever it is. If you engage as you're speaking, that's what's going to make you so memorable that people will leave and say, he talked about this. But if they have trouble, if it's rushed through and you're not, it is performing, it's like acting. If you don't act it out, it's not memorable. It's just reading something that may be beautifully written, right? And I'm not critiquing you because it is beautifully written, but there's so much, it can be even better and so memorable. So remember to slow down, don't rush to read it, and think of, how can you say those questions so they know they're questions, and you're not just asking, you're asking of them, and them, and them, and them. So that's such a big part of the delivery. And you know I'm passionate about that, and that's what I've worked with a lot of you about. Pronunciation's one thing, but then you can elevate your homily and reflection to such a point because you're engaging.